Today on Wicked Good Eats, we're going to make a summertime delicacy. We're going to make some fried clam platter. So, let's get down to it. What you're going to need is about a good 4 or 5 pounds of these nice steamer clams. Don't worry about if they're a little bit big, they make for good fried clams. You're going to need some lemon, a couple of bowls, one to put your, dredge your flour, and one to collect the clam. I'm going to show you how to clean them. You need some corn flour, salt, pepper, and a little Old Bay seasoning, and a nice fryer. First thing you do is put these nice steamer clams in a bowl, give them a good rinse with cold water. That'll wash off any of the sand that might be on there. And you want a knife. This is a regular shucking knife. Don't need anything too sharp. So what you want to do is get your clam and make sure you go down on the bottom so that way you protect the belly. Once that opens up, do this over the bowl, and then you can scrape out, go right around, and you end up with a nice clam and the clam juice. I'm going to save that juice. So this is what the clam looks like. Through and do these. I'll show you one more. So go right down along the bottom, kind of scraping along the bottom of the shell. Once you do a few of these, you get good at it. Okay, and then same thing, go down along the bottom and scrape it right down into the bowl. So we've gone in and shucked all, and now I'm going to show you how to finish these off. So you want to get one of these clams, okay, and you just want to cut off the siphon on the end. That's the piece you're going to throw out. And then this membrane here, just grab a hold of that, and that should come right off. See that? Nice and easy. And then put it in the bowl. And we're going to repeat that step for each one of these. Again, just cut off the siphon, grab the end of that, and just pull. So you get the nice, that's on the strip. And we'll go repeat that till we get them all nice and clean. Alright, so we've gone in and cleaned up our clams. And as you can see, that's about the size of my hand. What you got there, I got this juice. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get our flour. And put about 1 cup. That's about, it's 2 to 1 for the flour, so say about a ½ cup corn flour. And we're going to take about a tablespoon salt. Okay. Sprinkle some pepper on there, black pepper. About a ½ teaspoon. And then the last ingredient, we're just going to put some Old Bay. Just kind of sprinkle that in there just a little bit. Don't need a lot. And then we're going to mix that up. Nice. And that's what we're going to dredge the clams in. Show you what that looks like. There's the clams sitting in a nice clean clam broth. There's the dredge, and we got our fryer set at 300. You don't go too high because these are clams are very delicate. They're going to cook quick. Then we got some tartar sauce ready for dip, some lemon, and some Cholula sauce. Alright, we are ready. So we're going to get some of these nice clams.
Staying up all night and fucking sleeping all day. It'd be nice to see your face.
Put them in the dredge. I'm going to do about 4 or 5 just for a test. And we're going to make sure that gets all over them. And then the trick to this is slip them on your fingers like such. Okay. And then you do a nice slow swirl. Don't burn your fingers. And then in. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like. So there's the clam, there's the thread. Clams are in the fryer. They don't take very long. Once they turn a light golden brown, they are done. They're very quick. So we'll give it about a minute. And what you want is a nice strainer. Make sure they all stick together. And a nice platter with some paper towel on it so it'll absorb the extra grease. I'll show you what those look like. Oh yeah. Oh, smell fantastic already. So you can see they're cooking up nice. We've got 4 of them in there. You can do more, but the first test shot you want to do just a couple. It's okay to flip them over. Be careful, stay back, because if one of those bellies pop, you get some hot oil on you. And just as you hear them start to get a little quiet, they're pretty much done. Like I said, clams cook very fast. So it's only about 1 minute. It's a light golden color with that grain. There's Wolfie. You know something's going on. And we're going to put those in there, let them cool off a little bit, and we're going to do the next batch. We'll come back after they're all fried up. Alright, so this is what you want. Have them come out nice and round, like a diamond ring. That's the whole idea of putting it on your fingers when you drop them in. Like this one gets stuck together. So we got more in the fryer going. Like I said, only about a minute, minute and a half. You'll hear them once they start getting quiet, they're done. Well, we got Wolfie here patiently waiting. So we got our nice golden fried clams, potato chips, and some stuff to dip. We'll get a couple of these that have cooled off for Wolfie. A potato chip. I think he's a tartar sauce guy. So we'll put a little tartar sauce on there for him. Alright. You ready, Wolf? Come on. There you go. Let's see if Wolfie likes fried clams. I don't know. He's going for the tartar. There he goes. He's going for it. Is that a winner, Wolfie? And the potato chip. It's a winner. So there you go, everybody. Enjoy. Let me know how you make out.